Elon Musk just announced one of the most ambitious AI projects in history. He's calling it Digital Optimus. The idea is simple: an AI system that can watch your screen, use your keyboard and mouse, and do your office work for you. But the real goal? Musk says Digital Optimus could emulate the function of entire companies. He's even calling the project Macrohard, a direct shot at Microsoft. Digital Optimus is a joint project between Tesla and xAI. It pairs two AI systems together using a dual-brain architecture. The first brain is Tesla's real-time executor. It processes the last 5 seconds of screen video, keyboard input, and mouse movements. Think of it as fast reflexes. The second brain is Grok, xAI's large language model. Grok handles the high-level reasoning, planning, and decision-making. It's the strategist. Musk compared this to Daniel Kahneman's dual process theory. System 1 is fast and instinctive. System 2 is slow and deliberate. Digital Optimus runs both at once. Here's where it gets wild. Musk says Digital Optimus will run on Tesla's AI4 chip, the same hardware inside newer Tesla vehicles. That means your parked Tesla could be doing accounting, customer service, or HR tasks while you sleep. Musk also announced plans to deploy millions of dedicated Digital Optimus units at Supercharger stations, using the 7 gigawatts of power already available across the network. The controversy is immediate. Tesla shareholders filed a lawsuit last year, alleging Musk diverted Tesla's AI talent and GPU shipments to xAI for personal gain. In September 2024, Musk said Tesla had no need to license anything from xAI. Now, just 18 months later, xAI's technology is literally the brain of Tesla's biggest AI play. Tesla invested $2 billion in xAI's Series E round in January. Then SpaceX acquired xAI in February in an all-stock deal valuing xAI at $250 billion. So what does this mean for you? Musk is targeting a September 2026 rollout, about 6 months from now. If Digital Optimus works as described, it could automate accounting, HR, data entry, customer support, and repetitive digital workflows at a fraction of the cost of hiring humans. But there's a massive gap between a demo and a product that reliably handles real business operations every single day. The real question isn't whether AI can control a computer. That's already been proven. The question is whether Musk can ship a product that works at enterprise scale without breaking everything. If you want to follow this story as it develops, subscribe. We break down every major development in AI and consumer tech.